Hey Larry, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for you and your company in which I'll be showing you 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So I'll try to keep the video short. The 3 things I'm going to be explaining today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll get right into it. As you can see, I'm on your home page right now. And when I say content, I'm talking about everything that's on this home page specifically. That'll be words, pictures, videos, anything. So to be looked up by Google and to rank higher in their search results, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page, which will be keyword rich and with a lot of good targeted words. And as well as how the pictures are saved and what's behind them really matters as well. Let me show you what I mean. So if I try to save this image right here, what comes up will really matter in the search results. So you see it's saved as home page. That's not really going to do anything for you. If you save the picture as something better with keywords, it'll actually help it rank. So the second thing I want to talk about is going to be citations. Let me take you right here. I just did a quick little search, heating and air conditioning in New York City, and just to show you what comes up and how the format of Google actually works for how customers see it. So this top section right here, it's called the Google Guaranteed. This is a paid service with Google in which a business has to go through a verification process with them, and after that they can advertise right here. It's a great place to be because that's the first thing customers look at, and also it gives really strong leads. Second, we go down to the traditional Google Ads section right here. This is a hit or miss in 2020 because a lot of people got ad blockers nowadays, so if that's enabled on their browser, you're not really going to see any of this. But still, businesses choose to do it, and if it's placed properly, it can get you some leads as well. Thirdly, we move down to this section right here. This is referred to as the Google Map Pack section, and this is where I'll explain what a citation is. A citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to input your business information such as your name, address, and phone number. A lot of these citations will end up in national directories. Online directory will be like a Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, LinkedIn, those kind of websites. This map pack, in my recommendation, is really a great place for any business to be at. It gives all of that information in one little box: name, address, phone number, hours of operation, links to the website. So that's definitely a recommendation to get on there. And after that, we come down to this section right here. It's called the organic section. So, and this is the section where companies have actually outranked their competitors and beat everybody out to make it to the first page of the Google results. And this is definitely where you want to be headed to. And we specialize in getting people in this first page on the map pack, as well as these advertisements here too. The third thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. So a backlink is basically any website out there which provides a link to your website. So it potentially drives their traffic to you. So let me just show you a little tool I use. This is called Ahrefs. It's a really good tool. It's I pay for it every month, but it gives me really good information on how to assess a website's performance. So as you can see, I've put in your website right here. So what it's telling me is that you got 12 referring domains, giving you 28 backlinks, which are not giving you any keywords right now, and more importantly, they're not giving you any traffic at this moment. So this is pretty rare to get no traffic at all. And let me just compare this to another top competitor around New York City and show you what their numbers look like right here. As you can see, it's a really big difference in terms of the marketing strategy they got going on. So you see they got 711 domains referring to them with 3,100 backlinks, giving them around 27,000 keywords, which bring them at least 26,000 people to their website every single month. That's referred to as organic traffic. This is the type of numbers you want to be hitting. Now let me go back to yours right here. Now this Ahrefs tool buys their data directly from Google, so they try to keep it as accurate as possible. So boosting these numbers is exactly what we specialize in, and we can definitely help you out over there. So going back to your website, I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's basically all I had for today. I really hope you enjoyed the free tips I've given you and the video was educational for you. If you like what you heard and want to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call and I'd love to talk. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you. And if you could just give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did, that'll be great. With that, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.